Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Marhaba everyone in another lesson number 3 in Learn Arabic with Dina. In today's lesson, inshallah, I will be teaching you a very common phrases and words which are commonly used in Arabic, and it might be very, very helpful in your conversation and in your introduction. So are we ready? Let's begin. Number 1. Shukran. Shukran. Again, shukran, which means thank you. Shukran. Shukran. Thank you. To respond back, we say afwan. Afwan. Afwan, which means welcome. And please note here that the welcome of thank you and welcome is different than welcome like welcome home. So if you want to say shukran, the response is afwan. But if you want to welcome someone, you say ahlan wa sahlan. Ahlan wa sahlan. So shukran, afwan, ahlan wa sahlan. Ahlan wa sahlan. In English we say I'm pleased to meet you, or I'm honored to meet you. It's my pleasure to meet you. So in Arabic we say تشرفت بلقائك. تشرفت بلقائك if you're saying it to a male, but if you're saying it for a female, you change بلقائك into بلقائك. تشرفت بلقائك. بلقائك means meeting you. تشرفت, I am honored to meet you. So تشرفت بلقائك if you're saying it to a male. تشرفت بلقائك. تشرفت, I am honored. بلقائك or بلقائك, to meet you. تشرفت بلقائك. تشرفت بلقائك. تشرفت بلقائك أو تشرفت بلقائك is usually more formal. So it's if you're saying something the same in a casual or to a friend or someone in a casual meet or informal, you could exchange the word تشرفت, which means honor, into I am happy to meet you. And you could say سررت. سررت, which means I am happy. بلقائك. سررت بلقائك. سررت بلقائك. سررت بلقائك. So we replace تشرفت with سررت. تشرفت, I'm honored, and سررت, I am happy. And you add the word بلقائك or بلقائك for both. So سررت بلقائك. سررت بلقائك. At times, instead of saying it's my pleasure to meet you, you want to say it's my pleasure to know you. So instead of تشرفت بلقائك, which means بلقائك, to meet you, you have to replace the word بلقائك with the word بمعرفتك. معرفة means to know someone. بمعرفتك. تشرفت بمعرفتك. It's my pleasure to know you. And said for a male, تشرفت بمعرفتك. بمعرفتك. It's my pleasure to know you. تشرفت بمعرفتك. تشرفت بمعرفتك. The next word is excuse me, or if you don't mind. So excuse me or if you don't mind, in Arabic we say لو سمحت. لو سمحت. And لو سمحت means if you don't mind. Or, you know, when you're saying it to grab the attention of someone and you say, لو سمحت, excuse me. So, لو سمحت. لو سمحت. Suppose you're passing a lane and someone is blocking you and you want to pass, you say, لو سمحت. لو سمحت means, if you don't mind, I am passing. لو سمحت. لو سمحت, which means, excuse me or if you don't mind. لو سمحت becomes for a male. لو سمحتي for a female. لو سمحت. لو سمحتي. So لو سمحت with a sound is for a male, so you're saying to someone, excuse me, and he's a male. لو سمحتي, if you're saying excuse me for a female. لو سمحتي. If you want to apologize, the word is آسف. آسف if the sayer is a male. آسفة if the sayer is female. So me, I'm a female. If I want to say I'm sorry, I say آسفة. آسفة. You could also say by adding I am sorry, and that is أنا. So you say أنا آسفة. If a male has to say it, أنا آسف. أنا آسف. أنا آسفة or أنا آسف, or simply say آسفة. There's another word which we could use to replace I'm sorry, and that is usually more formal. Like in English, you say I apologize. Similarly, we have in Arabic. So instead of آسفة or آسف, we replace it with أعتذر. أعتذر. One more time. أعتذر. I apologize. This one word means I apologize. أعتذر. If you want to say from you, if you're saying it to a male, so you say أعتذر منك. منك is from you. أعتذر منك. If she's a female, أعتذر منك. أعتذر منك. أعتذر منك. Or simply say أعتذر, I apologize. أعتذر منك or أعتذر منك. The next, we will be saying I didn't mean it. In Arabic we say I means أنا, did not, لم mean it أقصد. أنا لم أقصد. أنا لم أقصد. I did not mean it. أنا لم أقصد. أنا لم أقصد. أنا لم أقصد. I did not mean it. أنا لم أقصد. You could combine it with an apology and you could say أنا لم أقصد. أعتذر منك. أنا لم أقصد. أعتذر منك. I didn't mean it. I apologize from you. I apologize from you, female. Or you could say آسف. أنا لم أقصد. أنا آسفة. أنا لم أقصد. أنا آسف. So you could combine those common words. These are very, very useful words in your day-to-day life. The next one I'm teaching you is it possible? And that is هل ممكن. هل ممكن. هل ممكن. هل ممكن أن. هل ممكن أن. Is it possible to. هل ممكن أن. And of course then you will ask your need. هل ممكن أن. Is it possible to. And of course then you will ask your request. هل ممكن أن. هل ممكن أن. Is it possible to know. هل ممكن أن. هل ممكن أن. And this can be said for both male and female. هل ممكن أن. In these phrases which I taught you today, you can combine more than one together. Depends on the need. For example, if someone tells you, I'm pleased to meet you, I'm honored, of course you have to respond back by saying thank you. And he will respond or she will respond back again by saying welcome. Let's try that. تشرفت بلقائك. شكرا. عفوا. Or سررت بلقائك. شكرا. عفوا. Let's try now combining the previous lesson and with today's lesson. Are you ready? صباح الخير. صباح الخير. ما اسمك? Or ما اسمك? اسمي دينا. اسمي دينا. تشرفت بلقائك. شكرا. عفوا. وما اسمك? You might respond saying اسمي أحمد. تشرفت بلقائك. تشرفت بلقائك. شكرا. عفوا. Let's recall the phrases which we have learned today. تشرفت بلقائك or بلقائك, which means I am pleased and honored to meet you. Or سررت بلقائك or سررت بلقائك. I am happy to meet you. سررت بلقائك. سررت بلقائك. شكرا. شكرا. Thank you. عفوا. عفوا. You're welcome. أهلا وسهلا. Welcome as a greeting. Welcome as a greetings. أهلا وسهلا. أهلا وسهلا. أنا آسفة. أنا آسف. أنا آسف. أعتذر منك. أعتذر منك. I apologize from you. لو سمحت. لو سمحت. لو سمحتي. Excuse me, or is it possible? لو سمحت. لو سمحتي. And finally, هل ممكن أن. هل ممكن أن. Is it possible to. هل ممكن أن. Thank you for watching. شكرا لمشاهدتكم. I hope today's lesson was beneficial. Remember, the key success to learn any language is practicing. So keep practicing and I'm confident you will make it. If you like today's video, kindly subscribe to my channel and press the notification button to get informed every time I upload a new video. The Arabic lessons will be uploaded every Wednesday and Saturday, inshallah. See you in the next lesson in Learn Arabic with Dina. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.